Our pies are almost ready to bake, but before I put them in the oven, I'd like to put a little bit of tin foil around the edge of the crust so that it doesn't brown too fast. We'll be putting that foil around the crust, baking it for 25 minutes, then removing the tin foil and baking it for an additional 25 minutes. Just take a piece of tin foil that will go about halfway around the pie and tear it in half. Put the two pieces together, kind of roll them up a little bit to attach them to each other, and then just easy crunch them down around the edge of the pie. Okay, that one's done. And this one's done. Now we can put them in the oven. We're baking our pies in a 375-degree oven for 25 minutes with the foil and 25 minutes without the foil. It's time to take our pies out of the oven and check them for doneness. These pies look great. To check them for doneness, we look to see that they're brown all around. And this juice bubbling out over is a beautiful sign of being done. And then you can just poke them with a skewer or with a knife, and especially in the center, and feel those apples. If the apples feel hard at all, then you might want to put that back in the oven and cook it for another 5 or 10 minutes, and then test it again. These apples feel nice and soft, not mushy. Notice I'm poking through the vent holes so that I don't ruin our design. These are beautiful pies.